Chitariki nemeronge bere omutinyo mutangani umwaka bwechirwe bere nemeronge bere nenye nigo charayigire CHINSA ISANO na IBERE chabona mbaso chinga kingo kwaregania temanyamangana AMAYIA asenchera yo wenge erieta DORCAS KEMUMA na nigo toko bwateranere Abigael Nyanchama yo kwena kiamado gine chibicha agoikire asenchera yo wikirano nabogo tobwatia witira asenchera yemetandao yeito asensemo ya Facebook kotonyora mna Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otonyomna Ndizi TV News na boigase mtandao we website nyona www.ndizitv.net. Ochakia okwagacha ogweche embassy ase CHINSA choibere ase barachi kwana kingango tinyabare obwamate obuyagati ya CHINSA cho ibere ase kolengana no muwaziri omonene oyobo boigo muwaziri wa CHINSA chisiko Musalia Mudavadi nigo batuna nigo barachi ochakia erinde okukinya obwoncheria egati ya CHINSA chiga ibere na boigo kwana kinga obwamate uya ngo chibore kogendera ase CHINSA chi ibere asike batengana egetambe ense ya Kenya terabeka merobere yo kubwatana nense yo ya Bahamas kurende negento bana kirenga gekeranire ase omwaka oyoiga asense ya Kenya nigo embassy yera chikwagacho ase omochi o Nairobi na baiga asense ya Bahamas nigo amagacha yora chikotoka ase CHINSA mocha na sahau kubatra na amono waziri ase CHINSA mwasiri bokunganya asense yo ya Bahamas Alfred Siaz nigatebna nigo barachikobeka omokia kwene kinga obwamatu bo bachakire ngo chibore konyora amatunda amaya asa matukare motwe.
I would rule that out. Yes. Your desire is to have from very important first step for us, how the whole exercise will be supported. Framework will play a big role in seeing the success theme. Yeah, great. Okay, thank you. Let me not take that much stronger, and we're grateful for Kenya's commitment to collaborate with us, CARICOM, with respect to Haiti and providing support for the Haitian people. So there are many things that that are very practical, very functional, that will strengthen both. Will be a mutual benefit to our respective countries.
Muriki omonene bwe kiama kiabarimu kianat Collins oyo ni gobona arulege kuro egetinde oche asa baibole bali bakwemukeri abarimo bakwemukeri abarimo egetambukiro gyo kubaseria koro ase chiskuru cyo kolengana na matokeo yo mwaka obwechirwe 2024 kolengana no yo negatibuna nigo erema mincha yeri chiko asa baiboli kwemukeria egetambukiro asa magokabo nigo bona atebuna nigo abaiboli abo barachikwemukirirwa egetambukiro egetindi aso yoranyolekane neri mocherio ryo goseria umwalimo nabo igo nigabolire nero yo kolika abani gose utenete kyombe yo kubalika abalimo Nancy Masharia konekinga abalimo bairwe oborendi boisaine.
You have the parents, the teacher, and the learners themselves. So whoever takes upon himself to castigate and criticize the teaching fraternity alone on matters performance. I think this one must stop. You all know much as we do that outside here, some head teachers, some principals have been threatened. And I want to refer you to a recent occurrence in Kakamega by a whole member of parliament. And we are telling Teachers Service Commission, it is time that you now withdraw principals and head teachers of institutions who are being threatened by leaders who incite the general public to take unlawful action against employees of Teachers Service Commission. Made reference to this particular MP, and this one must stop.
Chingaki echo nigoboigo oyo aboririe omowaziri boborendi bweme kithure kindiki gochakia obotuki ase chisukuru chire chabire chigoseria abarokia ase kiriatena nigere mamincha yeri chiko nigo babwenete kobwatia richiko kwene kinga abarimu abo barure ase chisukuru echo naboigo nigarurege kurogoche ase abana siasa bari babaire bakubwatiraniwa ase mamocho yogosegeta abaiboli oseria abarimu koro ase chisukuru echo naboigo nigaborire omora yose omoteneri wekyombe ekya korika barimu kyatese Nancy Masharia koira chinga kichaya chabene kwene kinga abarimu bali bagochikobekwa ase chisukuru echo banyorire ebintu biri byonsi baganiri asikeri nigo ebikore byabango igabyaba obosoku anenegoche ase abarimu.
And I also want to call upon the Minister Interior Government. The CS, can you take action on such? Yesterday, in Nyakorere Secondary School, in Gucha South, a principal reported to me that he went to school, the office was locked. The bazaar's office was also locked. I think that this is shameful. Kenya is not a banana republic. Sure. And in fact, actions as such should be dealt with by the law. My sister, Dr. Nancy Masharia, take action. And we don't want to see any of our teachers going back to those institutions. Sure. And take time before you even post
Yes.
teachers to such institutions. Let the public learn that Kenya is guided by law, and we are all law-abiding citizens. We shall not sit back as a union as we look at and watch our teachers and our members, of course, being frustrated in places of work.
Babarai kurase obomo bwazimio na boigo barai bande ni goli tukuria rero bakoro gusangirikana ase chinsemo cha Kisumu ase kanisa ya St Stephen SK eyogotoka ase county ya Kisumu ase bakora omoyega bo kumunyora oyo kabeire omokonye bo murai bwense omotangani ase nseto ya Kenya Jaramogi Oginga Odinga ase barenge okora amasabo yo kumunyora litukuria rero chinga kecho nigo murai wekyama kyodia murai Odinga aira chinga kichai chabene aso kuba kerambuye mono abarayi bari bonsi baika aso moyegoyo eriogo kwinyura Jaramogi Oginga Odinga.
Thank you very much, Bishop. Fellow Christians, God is good all the times. Thank you very much. The clergy and the guests who have come here today, on behalf of the family of Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, we welcome you and we thank you for joining us this morning for this prayer in remembrance of Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, 30 years. This is not a place for speeches. Speeches will be made where we're going to here. But I just wanted to know, to let you know that Jaramogi was very much associated with this church. This project is a brainchild of the late Bishop Henry Okulu and Jaramogi. And Jaramogi did the first fundraising for construction of this church. And he did several others before he died. He was joined by the late Jobomino. When Jaramogi left, Jobomino took over, and I joined Jobomino.
Chinga kicho cha masaboyo kumonyora Oginga Odinga Raila Nigoboigo aira chinga kicha chabene chokoboria abarai kwena kengango sira bare chikanisa ase abwatoka omugano bogosira omugano igoro yogosira chikanisa echo anene ase kanisa yo ya St Stephen SK asate bamna nigo nyagosira Oginga Odinga abete omutangani igosira kanisa yo asebono arule ogobosemia unanire ya abarai nabaigo abantu bonsi gosira chikanisa.
So we did it then with Job together, and when Job passed on, then I continued myself until we are here where we are. It is still a project that is ongoing, an ongoing project. And last week we were here, and they told us that there's a sound system that they want to put up here, and there are pews which they still want to do, but they will be fundraising on another occasion, not today. Today, as a family, we are presenting these 2 chairs to the church. On top of all that, we are also adding to the church a contribution here of 200,000 shillings. And I just wanted to request that if there's any Christian who wants to join and work a say, this is the time.
Wono simoi mia yudo nying manyien karaya sibe mia yudo nying manyien gala gala mia yudo
Ekyombe keriagetenete amariogo yebichune abiri bigosari ebimeri nigobono kyabekirebe yara chi container echobono chibogoretie amarioga yo mamincha neri chiko amarioga yo aiseine chibesa chishiringi chimilioni emiyemo na 17 nigobono byatangirwe ase omochi o Mombasa asibono bachakire obolingoria igoro ya mariogo aywe kolengana nabateneneri bekyombe nigobono batebnani barachi kwene kinga bachakiri obotuki bene bokumanya omonyene amarioga yo naboigo kwene kinga amarioga yo konyekare mamincha neri chiko bono richiko ria serikali yensi ya Kenya imukie getambukiro asekiri batena nigo amarioga yo arachi kolenta sara enene asanene asabalime naboigo bali bagotumeka amarioga yo asogosiarira imimeri byabo.
This consignment is going to be ceased. It will not move from here as we look for the importer, and it will be held by the DCI as part of the investigation process. Once we get the importer, other processes will follow, which will include charging him for illegal importation or ordering shipment back to the country of origin. So this product will not get to the Kenyan market. We are advising the public that in case you come across such products, we have described how you can identify it. Please don't buy. There have been arguments that they are very effective, yeah? In other words, they control the pests better than our products. What you might not know is the aftermath of the control. At the pest control products, going to balance between the killing and the safety. Please remember, these are toxic substances and they are meant to kill. What matters is the quantity.
I can certainly say that this is one of the biggest consignment we have ever suspected to have been imported illegally, and it contains illegal pest control products. After this exercise, if we confirm that indeed the product that is there is illegal, now the matter will go for investigation, perhaps to identify the owner, and further actions will be taken thereafter. These products, the ones which have been certified by the Pest Control Products Board, have been assessed in terms of their efficacy.
Omwancho muri nkwira ningambiye muno asogotengera mangana AMAYIA asenchera yowenga AMAYIA Ndizi TV nabo bansubo Gusii eritariane DORCAS KEMUMA twara burigerio bya AMAYIA Ndizi TV ngo twabwatanera Abigael Nyanchama oyena kingamari ne chibicha aho ikeire asenchera yobekirano.